There might be a little dust on the bottle. This is the Dust on the Bottle edition. Welcome. Currently a Theory with CoachAMillerLight. I have some awesome notes from the teachings of Abraham today. Day 2, baby. Day 2 of passaging. It's a whole other thing when I passage, which means I sit there and I listen closely enough to write it down word for word. It's a whole different experience than when I'm just listening to training material. Why? Why is that so? Well, what I have on it so far, currently a theory, is that it's the amount of attention that I'm giving to it, and that the attention is tuning my receiver to that frequency. All right, so here's what I wrote today. Interesting, Abraham talks about this, about, being a receiver, being like a broadcasting radio station, that I am broadcasting a signal. They said awake time is airtime, awake time is broadcast time. And I'm like, ooh, that's really good. Like when I wake up in the morning, if I think about it, like I wake up and all right, you're on air. I imagined, that light on air. I wake up and now I'm on air. Awake time is on air time. Airtime, awake time is broadcast time. So as soon as my eyes wake up, now what I'm learning about that is I wake up, so I go to sleep at night, right? And the momentum stops. So I'm vibrating, I'm offering a vibration. I go to sleep, momentum stops. In sleep, enter the vortex. In pure positive energy, why sleep is so favorable. Wake up in the morning and then pick back up where I left off the night before. So I'm starting to practice intending when I go to sleep to leave it off in a good place. Making that intention as I'm falling asleep. That all attraction in my body will stop while I'm sleeping, and while I'm sleeping I'm gonna be refreshed, maybe program myself to have some kind of a dream to an answer that I'm seeking, and then tell myself that I'm going to wake in the morning and I'm gonna wake refreshed, and I'm gonna wake vibrant, and I'm gonna get out of bed with gusto, and I'm gonna remember, I'm gonna add this to it now, I'm going to remember when I wake up that I'm on air, that I am now broadcasting. Awake time is broadcast time. That broadcast time means whatever you're focused upon, and therefore the vibration you're practicing while you're focused upon it. It's irrelevant whether it's past, present, or future. Whatever you're focused on, you're practicing. With airtime, this broadcast time, this vibration, pay attention to what you're giving your airtime to. I heard a vlog, I call them vlogs still, the Coach A Million 9 show, Infinity Broadcasting, on the Hope Skyrockets YouTube channel, where the coach was talking about focus is subscription, right? It's the same idea here. Whatever I'm giving my attention to, that's my airtime, I'm broadcasting that. They said, pay attention to what you're giving your airtime to. What am I giving my airtime to? And I can retrain myself, practice giving my airtime to positive aspects. They say if you're often looking for positive aspects, then your airtime is in that receiving mode. And if you're looking for trouble, then your airtime is in that receiving mode. What am I looking for? What a great point. What am I looking for? Am I looking for positive aspects, or am I looking for trouble? Because I'm gonna find whatever I'm looking for, and that's what my airtime is on. That's what I'm broadcasting. That's the vibration I'm offering, which, as I'm understanding it, how it works is about 3 days from now, I'm going to receive the package of life, events, circumstances, and experiences that I sent myself today with today's airtime, with today's broadcast. So today, as I'm on the teachings of Abraham, another reason passaging is such an effective tool for CoachAMillerLight. Heard the coach say this today, it leaves the spirit, that God force is in the heart, baby. Come on, tap it with me, go ahead, give it a little tippity tap. Right? Tap it, baby. All right. All of your power is here and now. This is helpful to remember. All of my power is here and now. It doesn't matter what happened. And this is what Abraham was saying here is whether or not I'm thinking about a past event, a future event, or something that's going on now, it doesn't matter if it was past, present, or future. It's my airtime now. It's what I'm using all my power for now. So remembering to pay attention to what am I giving my airtime to, look for positive aspects, remember all of my power is here and now. You have A cadre. Ooh, how about this, baby doll? You have a cadre of non-physical energies who are always with you, flowing to you and through you. We have a cadre of non-physical energy flowing to us and through us. And all the power is here and now. Where is my attention? Here and now. So when I'm looking for positive aspects here and now this cadre of non-physical flowing to me and through me is flowing to those positive aspects. Now that's what's getting my airtime. That's the signal I'm broadcasting. Pretty exciting information. All right, here we go. This is something great to close on. They said your negative emotion is your indicator that you're not where most of you are. Okay, so remembering here, helpful to remember that I'm physical version, right? Here I am, Coach Miller Light. Here she is, Mary, right? The physical version. But this is just a very, very small little part of all that I really am. That who we really are is so much more. So large and in charge. So all that is energy. And here we are out here, all the way pushed out on the leading edge in the weather. So negative emotion is saying that I, the physical leading edge version, am holding an idea, I'm holding a vibration, I'm holding a thought that does not match the vibration of the very much larger part, because the very much larger part, the all that is part, is always focused on the positive. So anytime I'm not gonna feel good, and that's what negative emotion is. Negative emotion is actual guidance. How cool is that? It's actual guidance saying, okay, right now, I am not holding an idea, a thought, the vibration I'm offering because of the thought that I'm thinking, because of where my focus is, because of where my airtime is, because of what I'm broadcasting. I'm not matching the broadcast of all that is non-physical source energy part that is part of me. It's not this separate thing. That's what I'm coming to understand. It's pretty exciting. It's not this separate thing. It's who we are right now. It's the much larger part. Just because we can't see it, we can feel it. Literally. That's what feeling is. When I'm feeling good, when I'm blissful, when my enthusiasm's going, that means I am seeing the world through the eyes of source. Not just source, but through the larger part, the much larger part of who we are. We are that energy. How exciting, man. All right, till next time.